So this is a basic yoga ball or Swiss ball hamstring activation. I want to have my knees directly over my hips so my heels are on the ball. The whole point of this is instability. So what I want to do is tuck my pelvis so my lower back's flat against the ground. Then I'm going to push down through my heels and hold for 3, 2, 1 and come back down. And again, you'll notice I'm pulling my feet up. You may choose to point, but I would recommend doing something with your feet and making sure that they're either straight ahead forward or straight being pulled back this way. So I'm going to go again. 3, 2, 2, back down. 3, 2, 3. That's considered a rep. Now, if I want to make it a little bit more challenging, what I can do is start with the ball a little more forward, and I can pull my heels to me, bringing myself up in the air, holding 3, 2, 1, squeezing my glutes at the top, coming back down again. So the ball starts further away. I'm curling my heels to me. 3, 2, 2, and you see I had to lock my hips there. They were sticking out at the beginning. 3, 2, 3, just like so. So if I'm having knee alignment issues, I can use the yoga block to help with that. I can place the ball, again in that beginner position where the knees are at 90 degrees, squeeze the block between my knees, inward pressure, and pick up off the ground. 3, 2, 1, set back down. 3, 2, 2, set back down. If I want to try it in the more advanced position, focusing on that inward pressure and pulling up, squeezing the glutes at the top, and then coming back down. Obviously keeping awareness of pets. So squeeze, glutes tucked, 3, 2, 1, come back down. 3, 2, 2, come back down, just like so. But this is a basic yoga or Swiss ball hamstring curl and activation.